Yo guys, for today's video, we are making a chicken inasal kasi ito yung favorite talaga ng mga kababayan natin. Ayan, it's perfect! First ingredients natin dito is ketchup, and we put some soy sauce, and we are adding the garlic powder, the onion powder, sugar, magic sarap, and black pepper. So, na-mix ko na actually yung mixture natin. So, i-add natin yung chicken and massage it very well. And refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's ready, mag-preheat na tayo ng pan. Lagyan lang natin ng oil. Add natin yung chicken. So, ganyan. Tapos, add lang natin yung chicken. So, takpan lang natin siya para mag-season talaga yung smoke niya sa meat. Antayan nyo lang din siya para hindi talaga siya masunog. Pero natural lang yan sa grill na masusunog talaga yung skin. So, i-add natin yung extra sauce natin kanina para perfect talaga yung chicken inasal natin. And now this is ready. Let's go for plating. Sarap! Oh my God! I cannot imagine. Busog na busog ako for this video. Charis. So, maraming rice. Lagay natin yung maraming rice. Then, let's go. Perfect na yan. Kainan na. Enjoy your meals. Bye!